Hey, have you been struggling to get results with email marketing, and maybe you're buying traffic and getting solo ads and just not getting the kind of results that you want to? And it could not be your fault. It could be because people that you have on your email list are not actually seeing your emails. It could be that you're sending out emails to your entire email list, and it's killing your domain reputation. And this right here is some results that I'm going to share with you because I wanted you to see these results. It's coming from my, Aweber account, and I have a Facebook, YouTube email list, which are Facebook, YouTube people, and I'm warming up a domain, and I sent an email out to 81 people, and out of those 81 people right here, you can see that 75 of them clicked. That's a 92% open rate, not opt-in rate. That's a 92% open rate, which means 92% of the people opened the email, right? And then out of those people, 52 people clicked on the link. That's a 64% CTR, which is a click-through rate, right? So 64% clicked on the link in the email, and the link in the email went to a YouTube video, right? So this also helps you to get traffic to your video as well, or any content that you send out. I chose to send out a video in my email, right? So that way I'm getting eyes on the video as well, right? And it's also helping the YouTube video to rank in the search engine. So it's ranking in YouTube and potentially in Google, right? So this actually helped my domain reputation a lot, and I'm going to share these results with you. Right here, we're going to go over, and I'm going to actually, show you all the people who actually replied to this email. There's tons of people right here that have, replied. There's 94 people, all together, and all these people have put in a reply, and there's more than one page, but this is a full page right here, and you can see right here 94 people actually opted in. So there was 94 people that opted in, and out of those people, the people that actually opened the email were 81 people. 81 people out of 94 people opened the email. And then here's how many people actually, clicked. And, here's the click right here. So, the opt-in rate was very high as well. So if you do the math, 94 divided by 81, and then out of those people, here was the 75 people, right? So there's 81 people that were sent that actually made it through the funnel. Then 75 people actually opened the email. Then 52 people actually clicked on the link, which is crazy numbers and really good. So now my next step, because this is a new domain, my next step would be to reply to all these people who have responded, right? Because you never want to just leave responses in there. You want to encourage responses with your email list, and then you want to reply to those people, because that helps having a conversation with people on your email list. That helps, and it looks good to your email service provider and your email itself, right? It communicates with Gmail, and it helps you to be able to get results, right? So if you want to get highly engaged people onto your email list, if you want to actually start getting results, if you want help with this stuff, if you feel like your open rates are very low, you feel like you're not really getting a lot of sales with email, you feel like you've been buying traffic from a lot of different places and not really getting the results that you want, you probably need to come over here and check out profitbuilderstraffic.com. Here's my traffic store. I have a video testimonial right here with everything about what I do. And it's not like you're just buying traffic from me and I take your links and that's all, right? This is more, you get traffic from me, I give you feedback, I give you results, I help you to get the kind of results that you want to. I work with you long term, right? So when you order a, traffic package from me, I'm going to actually, give you feedback. You're going to know exactly what to do to be able to get results, right? So why you should get, traffic from me is because I want to make sure that your traffic that you're getting to your offers are highly targeted, and that your capture page and your sales copy are congruent to whatever you're promoting. And most importantly, you want to make sure that the traffic that you're getting is high quality. And I had to learn the hard way. When I first got started about 8 years ago, I was joining an opportunity, and the guy who I joined from, he's a big YouTube marketer. He ended up going to a different opportunity, and I got one phone call and that was it. And I never heard from him again after that, right? So I was kind of left to figure out how to get traffic to this thing that I had bought. And, so I went on YouTube, and then I found a bunch of people who told me just to run traffic to a funnel and I would get all these results. But what I didn't understand and what I didn't know is I need to be tracking my stats. I need to be knowing these things. I need to be, filtering out leads the right way to actually get results. So at the time I was in college, I was going to college during the day, and then I would work in fast food at night, and I hated it, right? It was one of the, crappiest jobs that I've ever did. And I would wake up for college at 8 a.m. after working till 1 a.m. in the morning. And then I would have to go to college, and I didn't have tons of time, and I didn't have a lot of money back then either. But what I did have is I did have a lot of credit, right? So I was like, I'm going to make this work. I'm going to put this on credit. I'm going to make this work. So I was consistent with what I was doing with my traffic. And I would get traffic every single week and bi-weekly as well. And I did that for about 2.5 years. And it landed me $87,000 in debt because I didn't know what I was doing, right? I didn't actually have help, right? I tried to do everything on my own. And I pretty much then realized that I needed coaching and I needed somebody to actually help me and show me what to actually do, so I knew, right? So that's when I hired coaches, and then I was able to actually learn how to market my business properly. And the coaching itself was really worth it because when you get coaching, it fast tracks your learning curve, so you know exactly what to do. So you're not left to figure it all out on your own like I was, right? So that's pretty much how I was able to overcome this. And then I started to sell traffic because I realized that there's a lot of people out there that get started in marketing online, and they need to know how to get leads. They need to know how to actually do this the right way, and they need somebody that will help them to be able to get results, right? Because a lot of people will just leave you out there to try to figure it all out on your own, or you'll notice a big leader join the opportunity, then you'll join the opportunity, and then they'll be on to the next, right? And so if you're sick of that kind of stuff, and you really want results with paid traffic, then you should reach out to me. And when you get traffic from me, you get traffic from a variety of different sources, including Facebook, YouTube, Google, Bing PPC, banner ads, Warrior Plus solo ads, and CPA marketing. So you're going to get a mix of different, traffic from those different sources. And I help you to set up your funnel and your offers. If you need help, I help you with all that stuff. I give you a strategy call, which on the strategy call, we go over your opt-in rate, how to improve your opt-in rate, how to actually get more people engaging, how to improve your deliverability if you're having issues getting your emails to inbox. If you want to be able to get better results with your emails, which means a lot more replies, a lot more people engaging with your emails. If you want to get all that stuff, we go over that in the strategy call. So ordering some traffic from me is worth it, because with the order you get the strategy call, and that's when we go over your funnels and I help you with that stuff. And then I help you and I give you my highest converting pages. I convert up to 85% opt-in rate. My highest to date is 90% opt-in rate, but I just say 85% because it's a good rule of thumb. But my highest to date is 90% opt-in rate, right? So you can see that testimonial if you scroll down on this page as well. That testimonial with a 90% opt-in rate and sales is on this page. And I want you to understand how to track your leads and conversion rate. It's very important to know how to do that the right way, because knowing those stats is going to help you to not only save a lot of money, but to make a lot of money as well. And I want you to understand how to build your list the right way with people who want to engage on your email and want to see your emails. Imagine having a bunch of people who are waiting for your emails or who are waiting to hear from you and who are ready to buy. That's really amazing when you have it. It is a process to put together, but it is possible, and this is what I help you with. And how this starts is in 3 simple steps. So basically you select a traffic package below. I have 90% tier 1 and 100% tier 1. Pick the one that's best for you. 100% tier 1 is always going to be your best option. It's 100% English speaking countries. And I do a strategy call with you. We do a campaign review. You can book that after you order a traffic package from me. And then I help you to set up your funnels, and you get the highest opt-in rate possible, and you'll get very highly engaged people onto your email list, right? So you want highly engaged people on your email list, and we start your campaign within 72 hours or less. That's 3 days. Now, if you order, then you book a strategy call with me. It's going to start after the strategy call, so keep that in mind. It could actually be more than 3 days. It could be after your strategy call, because we want to make sure that you get the results that you want to. You get all your questions answered, and you're no longer trying to figure this all out on your own. If you go to other traffic sources like Udemy or Traffic for Me, you're not going to be able to talk to anybody. You're not going to be able to get feedback from people. They're just not going to help you at all. You're just going to give them a link and they're going to send traffic. And if you're sick and tired of just sending traffic to a funnel and not getting any feedback, then definitely book a call with me. Here's my results right here for people. Right here is 90% opt-in rate with 3 sales on 200 clicks. There's plenty of other testimonials right here, so take a look at this for yourself. There's plenty to look at. Here's 90% tier 1. Here's 100% tier 1. So pick the one that's best for you. I always suggest 100% tier 1. Then here's the questions that people ask. If you have questions, concerns, or anything like that, your questions are probably going to be answered right here. Then here's my guarantee to you. I guarantee you 100% real traffic. No fake clicks, no bots, just 100% real people who really want what you have to offer. One thing that I cannot do is I cannot issue refunds. I'm letting you know that up front. What I actually do is pay traffic. So when you order traffic from me, it is paid traffic. So understand that when you order, your order partially goes to funding the paid traffic, right? And I will help you to get results. If you have any issues with your order whatsoever, I will help you. If you have any issues with your order, I will compensate you with the traffic, so you will get exactly what you ordered. You will get nothing less. I try to do my best to over-deliver and give you the best quality service that you could possibly get. I will give you exactly what you ordered. You will always get everything that you order from me, so no need to worry about not getting anything. I give you exactly what you ordered, and I help you along the process. So that's what sets me apart from everybody else in the solo ad space, is you actually get to talk to me. I let you know what's going on. We stay in communication, and this is a long-term relationship that you'll have with me for a long time, and I hope to help you along your journey. I want to see you win. I'm very excited about that. It really makes me happy. It makes me smile to see you win. If you have any questions, concerns, or comments, you can leave them below, or you can reach out to me on Facebook, Gio Ambrose Giunta. There's a link in the description that takes you to a Facebook group where I give tips, tricks, and training strategies on how to build and grow your business online. You're going to want to get into that Facebook group. You'll actually find my profile there as well. That's a free group you can join. All you got to do is click on the link below this video to get into that group. Also, you could come to this page by clicking on the link below this video as well. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any videos that I upload in the future. When you subscribe to my channel, you're going to be notified of any time that I upload new videos and new content just like this to help you out and help you to get results. So subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them below and I will get back to you. I will respond to your comments. Just leave your comments below so that way they can get answered. All right. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.